problems that some people are maybe having is the bolt pattern ain't lining up. They think maybe if they pull it or they adjust it, it'll break it. They won't. It will not. So if you have that problem where it's not lining up here, you put one in, it could be too short or too long on the width right here. All you have to do is go like this and put a little pressure on it, and like it'll align itself. So like this could be, see, this is the problem that you guys may be having right here. See how it's not lining up, and you don't want to bend that bolt. So this is what happens. All you got to do in that case is kind of pull it a little bit like that, just like that, and it just little tug, not too hard, not like He-Man, just barely tug, and that should do it. See, fits perfectly now. Not before it did it, but now it does.